Hello everyone, welcome back to Training Time with the Professor. My name is MJ Cordova. I'm the Director of Productivity here at KP Elite. And today, I want you to be nice. Be nice to everyone around you. We have a large concept that we talk about sometimes called success. I believe that when we have success in all aspects of our lives. Everything is interconnected. I can't have success at work if I don't have successful relationships at home, vice versa. I can't be successful at home if I'm not successful at work. Everything affects everything else. And what I would tell you is a foundation for all of success should start with being nice. Sometimes we get busy at work and we get stressed out and we forget to be nice to our coworkers. Maybe a pipe bursts and we're frustrated and we take that out on our coworkers. Maybe work is stressful and we go home and we take that out on our relationships. And I will tell you, as a foundation, if you want to get ahead in the world, it's better that more people like you than less people. And the nicer you are, the more people will like you. Sometimes we think that, oh, I don't want to skirt around issues. I want to be very direct. I'm a very direct person. And we forget that that directness sometimes isn't nice. So we should take a little bit of time and understand before we say things, before we communicate, before we take action, before we make decisions. Am I being nice? Am I being fair? Am I being nice to the people at work? Am I being nice to the people at home? Am I being nice to the people I do business with? Because all of those people deserve a nice world, as do we. And as soon as all of us embrace this concept that our lives are better when all of us are nice, we're all going to enjoy it a little bit more. So why don't we be the one that's the light of everyone else's day? Make it a goal today to be nice to everyone you come across. Be the nicest person they talk to in that day. And you're going to see every portion of your life is going to get a little bit better. So I want you guys to have a great day, and we'll see you again soon.